Hey everybody, it's Neil. Check out what I have here. I have the DJI Mic 2. I was using the DJI Mic and I broke my little contraption, so I figured, hey, why not get the new one anyways? It can connect up through like Bluetooth to my phone, and then I won't have to use everything, and should be easier to do anyway. So here we are, opening it up. It's got definitely a nicer bag than the DJI Mic did. That one came with this bag, this bag versus this bag. But let's see what this looks like here. So we can open it up and look at that. Wow. And this is it now. This is way bigger than this. Definitely a bigger, look at that. It's huge compared to the old one. But I mean, I'm just carrying it around anyway. So let's see, press to unlock. It's got the little paper on it. It says press to unlock. I guess people had a hard time figuring out how to open this thing. But let's see, let's just stick that on the box. So we'll press to unlock, open it up. And look, we still got 2 dots. So we came with a little bit of charge. And here you can see already some of the things came with a little bit half charge or so. And then we have the, wow, look at the magnets on these things are big compared to the old ones. I think these microphones are smaller though. Let me see. Yeah, this versus this, actually about the same size. It seems lighter and it's kind of see-through in the front. Definitely the magnet's bigger. Well, let's give these things a try and see what happens. So let's see. Wow, that's cool. I'm gonna try to connect it up to my phone directly, and we'll see. I'll be right back. Okay, so I've got the little contraption now on me, and I have the other piece connected into my phone, and so this is what it sounds like. Hopefully it sounds better. But so far, DJI Mic 2, I'm gonna say thumbs up.